So in this short video, what I'm going to do is show you how to resize your images so that they will be accepted by the show work portion of your homework. So very often, if you just take your camera and take a picture of your work and you do not pay attention to resolution, your file sizes will be too large to insert into the show work portion of my stat lab or my math lab. All right. So what I've done is offered you a couple of options. One, you could change the settings on your camera before you ever take your picture. And if you do that, you're probably going to choose something like 640 by 480, right around there. The other way to do it is to take a high resolution picture, which is what I did. So what I've got here are 5 images that I took with my camera, and the resolution was at 2048 by 1152. All right. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and select all of these and make a copy of them. Now, the reason I'm going to do that is once you make a change to your JPEGs here with the preview function in Mac, that change will be permanent. So I don't, just in case, I might want my original file, I make a copy and I'm going to make the edits to the copy. All right. So I went ahead and selected this first JPEG, and I'm going to press the Shift key, and then I'm going to come down here, select that, and that selects them all at once. Now what I want to do is come up here to the toolbar at the action, and I want to make a duplicate. All right, so there's all my copies. Now I'm going to show you just a couple so you could see. I purposely had this one rotated so you could also see the rotate function. So I want to go ahead and rotate that so that it's face up. And now what I want to do, and you can see the, you can see, scroll a little and see the whole page. I want to go ahead and select this edit function, and it shows you a toolbar. I want this little icon here, the adjust size. Now, when I click on that, I get some options. I want to go to custom, and I want this one right here, 640 by 480. All right. Select that, and boom, see, it already resizes it for you. That's all it takes. Okay, that is all it takes. I'm going to do that kind of quickly with all of these. And then once you do that to each one of these pages, you're going to insert the copies into my stat lab, and you shouldn't get an error. I can actually fit all 5 pages. I know that may sound hard to believe for some of you who might be frustrated, but that is true. All right, so in another video, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so I'll just finish these up, and that's it. That's all it takes. These are almost all ready to go. I'm working on my last page. And there we have it. Ta-da! This is all set to go. Thanks so much for listening.